Diddy the magic monk. Diddy the magic monk. Diddy the magic monk. Diddy the magic monk.
Hey guys, so now I'm going to get Olivia to teach me a beginner's routine that anyone can do. So for beginners like you and me, this is going to be a very useful video. So Olivia, let's get started.
Okay, so one that's really good if you've got tight shoulders and just really want to open up a bit of movement in your arms. So what we want to do is you can either sit legs crossed or any meditation pose, or you can extend your legs and engage your core. You're keeping your spine straight, really keeping it straight, feeling the top of your head drawn up and making sure you don't slouch back while we do this pose. Just really being mindful of your body posture. Okay, but kind of relaxing the shoulders and focusing on the breath. Okay, so bring your arms up, palms facing up towards the sky. Okay, you just want to tap your shoulders with your palms and then exhale back down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. And just repeating this pose, inhaling on the up and then exhaling on the down. Just really being mindful of your breath and the way your shoulders feel at this moment. One more time. Okay, and so with our palms on our shoulders, we're going to be drawing circular motions. So bring the elbows together and then circular, really drawing the elbows back, really keeping the shoulders, kind of letting them go a bit loose, opening up the chest. Yeah. Good, so bring the elbows closer together. Yeah, that's it. And inhaling up and exhaling down, that's good. And really drawing that in the back and inhaling up. And then drawing that back, yeah. Kinda. And the opposite way. So inhaling back up, drawing back down.
Opposite.
Opposite way. Yep. Drawing those elbows in as tight as possible. Yep, that's good.
Oh, shoulders feel good already.
Good. Okay, and palms down, relax. Maybe you want to give your shoulders an up and down jingle. Just really open up. Yeah, good, good. So how does that feel now?
Brilliant.
Good. Okay, so we're just going to do some kind of neck exercises. So looking to the right, exhale, and inhaling back to center, exhaling to left, inhaling to center, repeating one more time. And back to center, looking up to the sky, inhaling, exhaling, chin to chest. Inhaling, looking up. Exhaling down. Good. So another one to open up the shoulders a little bit is when you get into child's pose. So coming to all fours, drawing the glutes back, and then looking up, looking towards your palms, really drawing forward, and then head down, chest down. Exhaling, noticing the belly expanding. Looking up, drawing towards the right side. Exhaling, head down, chest down, relax. Taking a few breaths here. Inhale back to center and to the left side with your palms, and maybe you'll feel a stretch along the side. Yeah, do you feel it?
Yep.
Maybe it's tighter one side than the other, you might notice.
And
And then back to center, palms to center. Palms just coming closer towards you. Slowly bring your head up, chest up. And rolling your shoulders back. Bring your chest forward. Maybe opening up your chest a little bit. Maybe just turn your head a little bit left and right. Good. So that's just some of the exercises you can do to open up your shoulders and neck a little bit more, get a little bit of more flow, but it's always good to kind of warm up a little bit for that one.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It's brilliant. Brilliant. Thank you,
Okay.
Olivia.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.